In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Drive using iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to the internet so everything syncs correctly. Now open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. If it is on another home screen, swipe until you see the Drive icon with the colorful triangle. When the app opens, you should see the Google Drive home screen, usually showing recent files and a bottom bar with different tabs. From there, go to My Drive or the location where you want the new folder. At the bottom of the screen, tap My Drive if you are not already there. If you use shared drives or starred items, you might see different sections, but for a basic personal folder, My Drive is the usual place. At the top, you will see the name of the current location, which confirms where the folder will live. Next up, tap the plus add button in the bottom right corner. It is a round button with a colorful plus sign. When you tap it, a small menu slides up from the bottom with several options like folder, upload, and others. This tells you are in the right spot to create something new. After that, tap folder from the menu. The folder option usually has a little folder icon beside it. As soon as you tap it, a pop-up appears asking for the folder name. This pop-up takes over the center of the screen so you can focus on naming. Now enter a name for your folder. Tap into the text field and use the keyboard to type a clear name, for example, work files or travel photos. A practical tip, choose a name that tells you exactly what will go inside so it is easy to find later. You can always rename the folder in Drive if you change your mind. With the name ready, tap Create. The Create button is usually in the top right corner of that pop-up. When you tap it, the pop-up closes and you return to My Drive or your chosen location. You will see your new folder appear in the list, using the name you just typed. Your new folder will now appear in Google Drive. It shows the standard folder icon, and it sits alongside any existing files or folders. If you created it in My Drive, you will see it there every time you open the app, unless you move it later. To add files to the new folder, open the folder you just created. Simply tap its name once. The screen changes to an empty folder view, often with a message saying there are no items yet. Once inside, tap the plus button again. The same add menu appears from the bottom, but now everything you create or upload will go into this folder. Now select File Upload. This tells Drive you want to bring in existing files from your iPhone. A new screen opens, usually showing options like photos and videos or browse, so you can pick from your device. Choose the photos, videos, documents, or other files you want to upload. Tap each item you want and you will see small check marks appear on the selected files. On some screens, a preview or count of selected items shows at the top. Finally, tap Upload. Drive begins uploading right away, and you might see progress indicators or small spinning icons next to each file. When the upload finishes, your chosen files appear listed inside the folder on your screen. You have now created a new folder in Google Drive on your iPhone and filled it with files you chose. If this helped you organize Drive on your phone, a quick thumbs up goes a long way, and you can subscribe as a light backup for future tips.